life in Pakistan will suffer irreparable losses. The international community has criticized this move of India, declaring it is not only against the accorded agreement, but also against the international law as well as the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. On the other hand, India is not portraying her back steps of this unlawful threat. It is the duty of the international community and UNO to make a serious discussion upon settled contents and terms of the Indus Water Treaty. The precedent must be stopped as if it will be allowed to continue. Every rival country will put a barrier of the threats to stop or halt the river water entering other country. Basically, India wants to destroy or disturb the economy of Pakistan, which is already not very well and totally dependent upon the IMF loans. Recently, India also attempted to convince the IMF not to release the loan funds to Pakistan.